Every year the main event of spring is Salone del Mobile in Milan. And every self-respecting designer should attend it. In our case, it can be done without getting off the couch. It's a design tour, let's go! As we continue to familiarize ourselves with the expositions of the iSaloni, it is worth noting that usually the trend is set by the top furniture factories known worldwide. Big-name brands mostly tend to favor monochrome interiors without flashy elements. This year, light colors, especially beige, are still relevant and this trend is likely to continue in the near future. Today we will see the bestsellers of Poliform brand and take a closer look at bathroom furniture from the factory Estro Collezioni. Italian factory Poliform has been a trendsetter of interior fashion for many years in a row. Hundreds of models have been created in the history of the brand, many of them were loved by designers all over the world and became bestsellers. You can see basically the whole line of the factory in a space specially created for this purpose, Poliform Lab. The most popular models will be introduced to us by Yulia Ignatova, the owner of Felicita Design Agency, the exclusive representative of Poliform brand in Ukraine, Moldova, the Caucasus and Central Asia.
Poliform Lab is a source of inspiration for creating new interior solutions. Please welcome!
Poliform is known internationally as a system factory that has created and continues to define trends in the design of walk-in closets.
Poliform factory has been making dressing rooms since 1942. We already know all the nuances, all the features, all the functions that a dressing room should have, and we have added their design, elegance, and created completely our own style of Poliform dressing rooms.
Senza Fine, an already legendary walk-in closet, has been redesigned this year by the factory's designers. The base of the closet has been modified and additional legs have been added.
This collection allows you to use models both open and with doors. Facade finishes can be different: wood, fabrics, glass, both transparent and opaque. We can also see here how the model located in the middle of the space is like a beautiful showcase for your favorite things. Through the entire collection of walk-in closets we have two colors of metal, Ardesia and Champagne. Poliform factory uses models of different width and height. Our maximum height of doors and models is 2.910.
Senza Fine really does look fancy. In addition to the different finishes, the facades of the Poliform wardrobes can be made with different features. A convenient option is the system of opening the facades 180 degrees, which makes the use of the wardrobe even more comfortable.
Of course, the mood in the dressing room is in details. It is the feeling, accessories. The factory also provides you with such leather holders made in different colors for watches, for bracelets and for belts.
Another Poliform bestseller is the famous wall system, which, while maintaining the basic concept, is constantly updated in its details.
The historical wall system has always been transformed, improved, and new models are added, new content is added, which allow us to make different interiors, like a TV zone, library, showcases, makeup zone, bar, and it is all a wall system.
A distinctive characteristic of Poliform, which allows the brand to maintain its leadership in the market of furniture, is a huge number of variations in configurations and finishes.
There are standard models available in two different depths. It is possible to use all finishes from our collection, both wood veneers and painted finishes, to combine them in the structure to create a new character for a new interior design.
The wall system can be used both at the wall and as a partition for space zoning. The factory offers several options for the height of the system, and this year Poliform presented at the Milan exhibition another long-awaited feature, the pivot door opening system.
Poliform is very experienced in system. We have 3 living room system, 3 wardrobe system, we even have a sofa system. We are basically a system factory and we provide you with a lot of elements to create your own interior masterpieces.
This is proved by another absolute bestseller of the factory, the West Side sofa.
The update West Side soft sofa with down feeling was presented last year at the Milano exhibition and caught the heads of all visitors. Within a year, it became a favorite worldwide. It is a soft, comfortable sofa, but it keeps its lines, character and Poliform style.
Poliform advises to use this model in textile finishing because this material will allow you to feel the comfort and softness of the special down feeling of the sofa.
This sofa is designed for a large space, for a big family where everyone gathers together and you can make a whole island where the family lives together. For example, part of the island faces the windows, another part faces the kitchen, the next part can be at the fireplace or children's playroom, and all together everyone can live in the same space, finding a comfortable place for themselves.
Another secret of the factory's bestseller success is the complex solution for the living room design. West Side is complemented by the same name tables, which have an identical base to the sofa, and together they create a single composition. Also taking care of comfort and design, the factory has created for this model an interesting, comfortable and stylish detail, made in metal and covered with leather.
This sofa has many different models. You can make different compositions. You can move them around and create a personalized composition for your lifestyle.
Obviously, it is impossible not to mention the famous Le Club armchair, created especially for Poliform by the famous French designer Jean-Marie Masseau. Le Club reinterprets the design of the past in a modern way, preserving curved lines and comfort.
Generally, these Le Club armchairs became an accent in the living room, in the hall, in the composition of sofas, because this shape fits any type of sofa and complements the entire sitting area.
Le Club is not only a potential art object in the interior, but also an ergonomic furniture piece that gives its owner unconditional comfort. Smooth lines, tactilely pleasing materials and an additional element give pleasure throughout the time you spend in this incredible armchair.
The Le Club armchair is available in leather, in fabric, out of our large collection of standard fits. Also, we added last year a coating that allows you to use it outdoors, since Poliform introduced the outdoor collection.
The global popularity of Poliform furniture is easy to explain. Along with excellent quality and stylish design, the very presence of Poliform in an interior has become a sign of good taste. Coming up next, the stand of the Estro Collezioni company at the Salone del Mobile Milano exhibition. The company Estro Collezioni is recognized by designers for its exclusive models of bathroom furniture, which could be seen this year at the iSaloni 2024 exhibition at the company's stand. The design tour invited designers from Azerbaijan and Ukraine to take advantage of the unique opportunity to familiarize themselves with the brand's new products. It was not the first introduction to the brand for many Azerbaijani designers, as Estro Collezioni has been presented in Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan, for 1 year already. The meeting was held in a warm atmosphere with partners and friends, as the guests were welcomed by Ala Tereshchuk and Paolo Ciacci, the founders and owners of the factory. I'm familiar with the brand Estro Collezioni since last year. There was a presentation for this brand in the Collezioni Italia showroom. Well, it was such a brief acquaintance, if you can call it that. And this year we managed to meet the chief designer, the main creator of these models, with Paolo. Very erudite man, very creative designer. We talked for almost 2 hours. We found a lot in common and realized that regardless of location, talented people, I don't want to praise myself, I say in general, yes, colleagues who are here, they somehow find each other and they get good collaborations. The company's stand was definitely distinctive from the others in terms of conceptuality and in fact demonstrated the impeccable approach of the factory owners to the work with designers. In addition to new and already favored models, there was a special area for working with samples. I liked the stand. I liked it because there's nothing unnecessary. I mean, you come and you can see the model and you can immediately understand whether it works for you or not. The concept behind this stand was to create a chamber space similar to a living room where we presented our products. A space that stands out among the rest allows you to immerse yourself in our environment, to study our models, our materials, to have the necessary time to really get close to our world. The stand was designed to show both our familiar models and new products, in order to demonstrate the growth of our company. This year the brand introduced 2 new models at once. The company's philosophy is to create a bathroom that is an integral part of the home. There is no distinction between the bathroom and the bedroom, between the bedroom and the rest of the house. It is all one. Our company, Estro Collezioni, wants to bring innovation to the world of bathrooms. We have revived the Italian craftsmanship in working with materials such as wood, marble, metal, as our ancestors did, combining it with new technologies. So by blending all of that, we've created a collection. I think our approach to furniture making is completely different and you can feel it. Estro Collezioni uses natural materials in its production. The furniture is really characterized by the quality of workmanship and stunning design, which can become a highlight of any interior. I believe that this furniture can be used in both Art Deco and classic interiors, although there are a number of models that can easily be used in a modern style. In short, I believe that this company has a worthy place in the modern bagno zone. At this year's Salone del Mobile Milano, Estro Collezioni presented 5 of the 13 models that have already become favorites, including 2 models that designers saw in real life for the first time. This year you can see the Allure collection, which is made in wood combined with marble. Our models always combine various natural materials with metal. Also this year we presented an interesting cabinet. The cabinet is a follow-up to our products in the home area, as we believe that the bathroom has a special place in the house and its interior. Of course, the boiserie and the wardrobe are also part of the world of Estro Collezioni that we presented. Each model of bathroom furniture on the stand has its own story and unique features that deserve attention. That's why guests at our stand don't just take a look at them, they stop to examine the many details and features. Obviously, there are products that have more know-how and labor put into them, like Scrigno, for example, and there are products that are more flashy in design. Some like more classic, some like more modern. Everyone will find in our brand a model to their liking. Despite the fact that the company is quite young, they have chosen the right niche and their product today fully meets their positioning. The company uses only natural materials such as marble, wood and metals. I want to say that this company has made a cool accent on the facade. Especially I like the Revival model. In this particular case they used wood with a 3D effect, but how well the wood is done. Notice how the handle on the front goes smoothly into the towel holder. This model was very popular among the visitors of the exhibition, and apparently for a reason, as it is the model that one of the owners of the Estro Collezioni company, Paolo Ciacci, is delighted with. My favorite model is Revival, because it combines several textures and materials at once. It's a really interesting combination, because it creates a play of shadows and volumes that I think are very organic and well structured together. Ala Tirishuk is unwilling to define her favorite model and assures that she loves all the products of her factory equally, but nevertheless she shared her personal preferences. Of course, I have my own preferences, for example the frame model, because it is very feminine with many drawers, very refined, sophisticated design. I always place myself in the customer's shoes and I know that I would have great feelings seeing this model in my interior. The new allure with its philosophy and concept, I like it very much. So comfort is frame, philosophy is allure. Estro Collezioni is not a brand for some narrow preferences. Estro Collezioni is a union of traditional, modern, glamorous styles that can satisfy the tastes and preferences of different customers. Looking at the number of enthusiastic visitors to the Estro stand, the company will indeed become a favorite in the world furniture market, as the sophisticated audience appreciates quality, craftsmanship and perfect design. Even though the program has come to an end, we are not tired of collecting the cream of the world's design for you. More interesting stuff on our social media pages. See you!